Whoa, an AI tool built for food and fitness? Yup, we did it. We've created TruthGPT, a GPT trained on the Whole Truth's original verified content, so you can ask any question you have around food and fitness and TruthGPT will answer it. Let me show you how it works. So this is what the homepage looks like. The place where truth seekers from around the world come and ask questions like, what's the right protein powder for me? What's the healthiest cooking oil? Pretty cool, huh? Now this little box here, that's where you can ask all your burning questions. Go ahead, ask something like, how do I choose the right bread? And just hit enter. Voila, the answer will appear just like this. Feeling bored? Want to have some fun with AI? Of course you should. Head back to the truth box and write something like, write me a poem about white bread versus brown bread. Or maybe tell TruthGPT to explain bread to me as if I'm a 5-year-old. There, TruthGPT will make bread fun for you. But hey, remember that TruthGPT is experimental. It's not yet perfect, and we need your help to make it perfect. So tell us, were the responses helpful? By giving a thumbs up or a thumbs down at the end of each answer. There you have it, Truth Seekers. The incredible world of TruthGPT now awaits you. Go on then, visit our website or just click the link in bio and start seeking the truth on TruthGPT.